Sha-THEED!
Yeah.
What's up?
And we like to cook.
Yeah!
So what we're gonna make is
Mega GUNK!
Yay! My favorite. Okay. Alright, ready? Yeah! Okay, this is what we need. Oh, hey! I'm sorry about that.
I kind of broke it, so...
I fixed it. It's alright now. We can continue cooking. Anyway, as I was saying, the
Mega GUNK!
that we're making, which is gonna look like this. So, now we're gonna try this one more time. All for you. All for us viewers. I just love you. Alright, let's do this. Alrighty. Now, what is first today? A cup of Coca-Cola. Don't forget to add some of the glass for extra texture. Alright, let's see what we got here. Champagne.
Who doesn't
just
like
a
that?
tad. Just a tad.
Hey, let's add some of this.
Now, all you need is really the crust. You don't want that. That's just not good. So really, you just have to eat it off. Go ahead. Yeah, it's alright. We share some anyway. You know, sisters. Who cares? You're right there. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. You stay tough. We're alright. Alright. Anyway. What should we add next? A stick of butter. You know what? Who doesn't like some butter? Alright. Oh, what about some cube cheese? Now, oh no, some fell out. Now, don't worry about that. It's already moldy. Now, it's good for it to be moldy. Don't worry. Mold is good for you. At least you're allergic to penicillin. You just gotta be a little careful. But still add the cheese anyway. All right. What else do we got in here? What about this? What should we add? Just some little cat, right? I mean, fresh cat is so great. I mean,
died
it's
a couple
fresh.
days ago anyway.
Exactly.
So, it's alright.
Oh, my goodness. How did I almost forget the watermelon?
Oh my gosh.
Now, you're going to add this whole thing in. Do not be afraid. Don't be afraid of the watermelon. I promise it won't bite you. Let's add it. Yay! Alright. Push pin. Yes. And you know what? It jabs you in the gums and lets you taste your blood with that metallic taste. Nice little zest. Nice little zest. And we can't forget about the strawberry yogurt. Ooh, strawberry. I like that. Oh, what about this? How about this? You know, I may have eaten this for breakfast today, but you know what? Why not add it in Mega GUNK? Yeah. This is it's so good. Add it in. Do not be afraid. All right. Okay. All right. Let's add. Who doesn't like donuts? Who doesn't? I love them. I eat them all the time. I mean, oh, they're so good. And a cupcake. I mean, already made cupcake is delish. I just love Chanel. I just love it. I know, I can smell it on you. It smells good on you, right? Not that, I mean the person, Chanel. Silly. Hey. All right, what else do we have? Now, these are really rare. These are hard to find nowadays. You can only find this on like QVC or something on TV like that. These, no, I know what you think it is, but no, these are alien ears. And, you know, they're very fragile and you just gotta be careful. But, you know, it's just, you see, I want you to take a good look at that. That ain't good. So you don't have this. So throw it, you know, just throw it across the room. This one, you know, if this one's okay though, so you add that alien herb. Alrighty. We need a few more ingredients. What about squishy paste? Yeah, it's just a little ripe. It'll be good. promise you. Don't you worry. Oh.
Oh, you can't forget the pepper.
Yeah, all right. You know what, don't even worry about opening it, because just pour the whole thing in.
I mean, you know, you waste half your time.
You really
trying
do.
to put it in there. I can't open it.
Whatever. All of it in. All right. I think we only need a couple more ingredients. What is needed?
Eggnog, y'all.
Eggnog. Bring us up out, girl.
The eggnog.
Ooh,
I like
look at
the
that
eggnog.
I like the eggnog. Yeah, eggnog. Eggnog.
Anyway, eggnog.
All right. One more ingredient is needed. What is it? No, it takes a lot of thinking. Oh! Sha-DASH-a may have got it. What? Please tell the viewers what this is.
Oil. The car oil. I mean, who would ever not use this in a perfect meal?
Like, would even be good for like Halloween, like if you're the Tin Man, or Tin Woman, ladies. Woo! So like, it's so good for everyone.
Or GUNK.
That's true. Oh, Mega Gunk, please wait until you see what this looks like. Now, it's kind of hard to stir this, so you're just gonna kind of
Just to whip it.
You're gonna like beat it, whip, beat, whoop. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Get